Hi y'all, welcome back to Brick Language and our new short series, Play, Build, Talk. All week we've been exploring ways to help children with language disorders develop stronger spatial awareness. Another great strategy for helping them build their spatial awareness is to demonstrate how to place a Lego piece, then remove it and allow your child an opportunity to do it behind you. Pairing this with the Lego Builder 3D app will help you and your child see exactly where your pieces go and allow them to follow your directions with ease. It also gives them a chance to practice the movement words that you introduced before the build. Another way to work on spatial awareness when you're not playing with Legos is to play the really fun game of marbles. And if you don't know how to play marbles, it's okay. I'm going to link a WikiHow link below so that you can look at the instructions. All you're going to need is some sort of tape. I prefer masking tape and a bag of marbles. Now, I recommend you playing this game for the first time on carpet, because if you play on a hardwood surface or a flat surface like the kitchen or hardwood floor or even the back patio outside on the sidewalk, you're going to be chasing these marbles everywhere. The first time you play, you want to play on a rug or something that can keep the marbles in place so that you have a chance to practice. But this is a really great game for in and out, for next to, close to, nearby. There's a lot of spatial concepts in the game of marbles. You can get marbles almost anywhere. Walmart, Target, Amazon, the dollar store, even some pet stores carry them because oftentimes they're used in fish tanks. Marbles are a great unexpected game. I promise you, when you get marbles out, everyone in your house, including probably your spouse, is going to come to see what in the world you want to do, and marbles are so much fun. So have you had a chance to play Simon Says or I Spy, or maybe build a blanket fort? If you want to see any of our previous videos, just go right here. If you're enjoying our content that we're bringing, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Your support helps us keep making videos about this important topic of language disorders. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.